I wouldn't do that unless you would want me to do it there.
Oh, no, that's not the point. No, I won't do it.
Oh, all right. Here she is. I'm trying. I got to stay in the shade for this. Here we go.
Hi. Trot, trot, trot. I can't see movement when you do that. Kaboing, kaboing, kaboing. They're just so
She's
soft.
getting up there.
Goodness.
Good job, Clara. Wow.
You turn around. Turn around and go down.
Hang on.
You turn around. A little small. You want to go down this way? That's fine.
I like more speed.
That's so cute.
Yeah.
Hi, Melody.
You need one of those.
Can you reach that? It's a little.
I'm taking a picture of this camera.
Oh, that's your camera?
Yeah, it is. Because I'm taking pictures.
That's a great idea. Oh, Jenny.
Go down the slide.
Such a good girl.
Can you go down the slide?
Can you look through the windows, Melody? Scrunch down and look through those windows. Or does it not work that way?
This is Grandma. I saved it.
What?
This is I saved it.
Is your camera like Grandma's?